In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run and track a test execution in Jira Xray from start to finish. If you've ever opened Jira and felt like the test execution tools were buried or hard to follow, this walkthrough will help simplify the process. We'll go from opening the platform to reviewing a test run to marking results and linking defects, all in a clean and practical way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian cloud site. If needed, sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your active QA project, board, or backlog and open the specific test execution issue you want to work with. This is the ticket that contains the test run you'll be validating. When the test execution issue opens, you'll see the issue details page. Scroll down until you find the test section. This area lists the test cases included in that execution. On the row for the specific test case you want to run, move to the right side and click the execution icon, such as the monitor, style, or settings related symbol. That opens the Xray test run execution interface where the detailed test activity happens. Before updating any results, take a moment to review the information at the top of the execution screen. Check the revision, the environment, and the assignee. For example, make sure you're working in the correct environment, whether that's staging, UAT, or production. This quick audit helps prevent confusion later and keeps your reporting aligned with the right context. Next, scroll down to the test steps table. Here you'll see each step broken out with the action, the test data, and the expected result. Work through the software behavior step by step, comparing what happens in the application against the expected outcome. For each row, use the status dropdown on the right and mark the step as passed or failed. Continue until every step in the test has been evaluated. If a step fails, document what actually happened in the actual result field for that row. Be clear and specific so anyone reviewing the test can understand the issue quickly. If needed, use the defects option on that same step to create a new defect or link an existing one. Add a short descriptive summary so the bug can be tracked efficiently by the team. Once all steps are completed, your overall test run status will update based on the individual results. When you're done, use the parent test execution link to return to the main issue and continue managing your testing from the dashboard. That's the full process for executing tests in Jira Xray clearly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next